So as lots of you guys probably know, I coach high school basketball and I love doing it, and I certainly don't do it for the paycheck because it pays almost literally nothing. We get a coaching stipend and that's about it. But yesterday we had our team wind up for the season and the kids gave me a gift, which when you take into account that I put in almost 1,000 hours into the season, makes it completely worth it. They bought me basketball socks. Seriously though, cool gift guys. I appreciate it. You're the best. Good morning, Benjamin.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very good, you?
It's so crappy outside today. Like, we got off to such a good start when you were here for the first week. It was beautiful and sunny, and now it's not. It's hoodie weather for sure. Today's Saturday morning, and if you know anything about Saturday morning, you know it's sneaker releases, and there's no Yeezys coming out this week. There's no crazy Boost sneakers. There's no Jordans, but there are 3 pairs of sneakers that I'm actually really interested in. Ben, are you interested in them?
I am very interested in them.
Are you actually? You want to go check them out?
Yeah.
Let's go check them out. I want to have full disclosure though with you. The first time we went to Livestock, you got a little bit lucky.
I did.
With the 50% off shoes.
Very lucky.
I don't think that's going to happen again today.
I know.
Maybe they just really like you and you'll get another pair of 50% off shoes.
Hopefully.
I highly doubt it though, okay? So just lower your expectations a little bit. Benjamin.
Yes.
You want to drive today?
Hell no.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Dude. It's Saturday morning. There's no one out anyway.
I just don't trust your streets. They're they're weird.
Come on.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Please?
No.
This would have been a lot more fun if you were driving. You know that, right?
No.
Benjamin.
Yes.
They have all 3 pairs of them.
They do.
Nice. You guys have probably guessed it by now, but the shoes we're talking about is the Atmos Nike Air Max pack. These things are so nice. It's all designed after pictures of shoe boxes. Here's the Air Max 1, the original Air Max that came out in 1987. As you can see, this little pattern, this picture up here, is all stacks of shoe boxes, and I just think that is so cool. This blue and white colorway looks amazing as well. I quite like these. These are very, very nice. I really do like how these look. I may have to purchase these. Blue and white, I love that colorway. But then also there's the Air Max 90s, which are also crazy. This is like a really infrared looking color. And I also very much like how these look. The black, the infrared, the crazy shoebox colors is, the pattern is in color this time. So you can actually see the colors of the shoeboxes, the labels and all that stuff. Whereas on this, it's just in grayscale. And then I think the most popular one and maybe the most limited one is the 95s. These are actually going for around $300 on StockX right now, which is crazy because, I mean, they're just sitting here. So I'm assuming the resale is probably going to dip on these. Also a very nice shoe, but I think my favorite has to be the Air Max 1s. You guys let me know which one is your favorite. I'm gonna see if they have a size 12 of these and I might pick them up. Benjamin,
Yo.
which one's your favorite out of the 3?
You know what? I've looked at it more. I think it's the 95.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I mean, I'm looking at it more. Like, I keep switching.
Between?
All 3 of them.
They're really nice. I think the 1's my favorite though.
Friends, they don't know how to talk to me. I didn't send my word to them. It's just not what it ought to be. Something is wrong. I can't fall asleep. I'm missing the message.
Okay, Ben, I just want to make it abundantly clear to you. I do appreciate this. Thank you for giving it to me. Because I know there was a lot of confusion in your video, and I also forgot to link you in my video, which was a little bit awkward because I was talking about how thankful I was for this, and then I didn't link his channel. Ben has a YouTube channel. He does a whole bunch of awesome videos, and it was his goal this summer to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I told him he was going to surpass that. I don't want to let him down on that promise, so I'm going to leave a link down in the description to go subscribe to him. Please just give him some sympathy. He really needs the help right now. Ben, your channel is so good.
Thank you.
You're definitely going to hit it. And thank you for the bottle.
No worries, Tom.
The water tastes super, it actually tastes sort of metallic-y. I don't know, it's a bad water bottle for actually drinking out of. It tastes sort of, Thank you for the water bottle, dude. I really appreciate it. Okay, you're gonna send that check, PayPal, e-transfer. $500 for the shout out, yeah?
Screw you, dude.
Apart from the Supreme water bottle, I mean, I also picked up this pair of kicks today, as we saw, and I'm surprised these didn't sell out quicker. I mean, maybe now later in the day they're sold out or something. I honestly have no earthly idea. But I was happy that they were sitting there. It's a pair of shoes I thought was pretty cool. I've seen pictures of them for the past couple of weeks. I saw them on Seth's monthly releases, which I love watching all the time. And I thought, you know what, let's freaking pick up this pair of shoes. I love the concept behind it. It looks really cool. It's a model I've wanted to own for a freaking long time, and I've never bought a pair of these. It is the Air Max 1. I decided to go with these. I thought this was the coolest looking of the bunch. Ben liked the Air Max 95 better, tried to talk me into buying those, and I was like, no sir, I need to buy these Air Max 1s. The blue, the white, I love the color scheme. It really reminds me of the Storm Blue Jordan 1s, and I know these have nothing to do with the Storm Blue Jordan 1s, but they just look very similar. In fact, oh no, this is Game Royal. I was gonna say these might even be Storm Blue, but this is indeed Game Royal. One thing I really like about this pair of shoes is that you see how there's the box print all over in this grayscale. It's sort of a nylon texture. It's not leather or materials or anything like that, but the inside has the exact same print in color, which I think is really cool. It's all the orange Nike boxes. You can see it on the inside of the shoe. I thought that was a really cool touch to this pair of kicks, and the leather on these is superb. Like for a sort of GR Air Max, like I realize this is supposed to be a collaboration and whatnot, but for a GR Jordan, for a wide release of a pair of Air Maxes, these are superb. Like the leather is so soft. It's not the thickest cut of leather, but it smells like leather, it feels like leather. That's what tipped me over the edge. I wanted to go check them out, see if I wanted to buy them, decide if the quality was good enough on them, and then I felt them, I'm like, whoo, these things are freaking amazing. And plus, it's a classic silhouette, the first Air Max that ever released, and they're super comfortable still. I don't know how Nike does it. They make a 31-year-old shoe super comfortable, even like comparable to shoes that we have today. So these are definitely gonna be something you could throw on, wear a lot during the summer. Ben, which ones did you pick up? 27-second review.
27 second. Nice, clean, leather, very nice, clean, more leather, blue, not Game Royal blue, is it?
It is Game Royal blue.
Should we get your Jordans out, see if it actually is Game Royal blue?
Oh no, Ben discovered a flaw on these. What the F? I don't know if you can see that or if the color correction is gonna be too good on it, but there's a big yellow, what? Ben, there's a big yellow stain on the midsole.
That's sad, man.
How are we supposed to get rid of it? Okay, this is what really pisses me off about this. Like, I can deal with glue stains and stuff on like leather or misstitch, or I don't understand why people get mad when the shoe comes pre-creased, because guess what? You're gonna freaking wear it. Like, there's creases right here. I don't care. I'm gonna wear the freaking pair of shoes. What does piss me off is when there's a big yellow pee stain on the middle of the white midsole. Like, I realize it's gonna happen after I wear them for 5 years, but I'd like to get that 5 years of enjoyment before I have the pee stain on the midsole. That is a little bit of a piss off, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I can clean it off. Maybe I can exchange it for another pair. I mean, it's not a huge deal. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it really annoys. Thank you for pointing that out to me, but also I appreciate it if you wouldn't point that out to me next time, because I probably wouldn't have noticed that. And you've just sort of like created a new problem in my life.
Sorry, mate.
I don't forgive you. I wanna know from you guys, did you pick up any of the pairs of this Air Max pack? If so, which one did you get? I really, really like these. The Air Max 90s were probably my second favorite, and the 95s were my third favorite, but that being said, I really did like all of them. It's not like I hated any of them or didn't wanna buy any of them. I just didn't wanna spend that much money and get all three pairs. I thought this was a great choice, and I really like how these look. Let me know which ones you guys chose to go for down in the comment section below. As always, I really appreciate all of you guys tuning in. You guys are my favorite human beings on earth, and if you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefanik, just like you see there right across my chest. Make sure to do so. There's a link in the description where you guys can do that, and we'll be doing, you know what, let's go crazy. When we hit 41,000, we should do a giveaway.
A giveaway?
A giveaway on Instagram when we hit 41,000.
That's exciting.
Yeah, let's do that. So go follow me on Instagram. We will give away a $100 Foot Locker gift card. I just came up with this right now, but that's what we're gonna do because I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will see you soon with a brand new video, and until next time, peace.